Welcome to the BlastWizard reporting demonstration. In this brief video, I'll be showing you how to navigate our powerful reporting capabilities. BlastWizard has over 60 different reports that allow you to drill down as deeply as you would like into the information about your mailings. To get started, I'll click on the Reports link. On the Reports page, you'll see a list of all your completed jobs with descriptions and brief statistics about each. This page serves as a dashboard to quickly compare delivery rates, bounce rates, open rates, and click-through rates. The last column indicates whether or not a job used delayed retry. This is a nice deliverability feature that you can enable when you schedule the job that retries certain emails that bounce for better delivery rates. If any of the terms that I'm using or that you see in these reports are confusing, don't worry. At the bottom of this page is a link to our glossary of reporting terms. Our glossary contains all of the terms, phrases, and most importantly, measurement techniques we use throughout our reports. This is important also if you have used other email services because the definitions and measurement techniques sometimes differ between vendors. Back on the Reports page, to drill down into the information about a specific job, simply click on the Job Number link. The Job Summary Report is just that, a summary of all of the important information about the job. The top part of the page shows you the specific information about what was scheduled, the time and date, the subject, and the from address. Here you can also click on the links to view the actual content for the email message, such as the HTML part and the text part. The next portion of the page shows you some more detailed statistics about the job that you did not get in the dashboard from the previous page, such as the number of blocked due to opt-outs and the invalid email addresses. This Job Summary Report page is also the navigation jumping off point for all of the reports associated with this job. As I roll my mouse over each menu at the top of the page, you can see the extent of the reports available to you. In the interest of brevity, however, I can't show you every report, but you can easily explore once you're in the system. The Job Reports menu contains this page, as well as the Job Detail Report, the Job History, and the Job Calendar. The Activity menu shows all of the reports detailing what happened to the email messages after they left our servers. These reports contain information such as when and how the emails were delivered, who opened them and when they were opened, who clicked on links and what and when did they click, who unsubscribed, and who forwarded the messages to their friends and colleagues. The Analytical Reports menu contains a set of reports where we ran calculations on your data to analyze the results for you. Reports about the email recipients, reports on specific dates, timeline reports to show the reactions of your email messages over time, as well as analysis by domain name and list source. The final Retrieve Reports menu provides a way to download the raw data from these reports, to view your imported lists, and to search for the results for a specific email address within this job. The first report I'll show you is the Job Details Report. The Job Details Report provides much more information about each job. Like the Summary Report, the top portion contains information specifically about what and when was scheduled. As I scroll down, the next portion of the page contains delivery information both in text and in graphical format, so that you can view how many email messages actually appear to have reached their destination. One quick note, anywhere on these reports that you see a link, it means that you can click and drill down for more detail. Drill down links appear throughout all of our reports. The bottom portion of the detail report contains recipient behavior statistics, including how many people opened the message, how many people clicked on links, and how many people unsubscribed. This is information that can be extremely valuable in determining the effectiveness of your mailings. To show you how I can drill down to get more information on these statistics, I'll click here on the link containing the unique clicks number. The Click Analysis page gives me the details on what links people clicked on in the message and when they clicked on them. Because this is real data containing real email addresses, I have blurred some of the data for privacy concerns. You'll also notice that most of our reports have a download button at the top of each page. This allows you to quickly download the data so that you can easily manipulate it on your computer. In addition, you can automate the delivery of reports to your email address. Every page has an Email Me This Report button. Clicking on the Email Me This Report button brings up the automated report page. On this page, I can schedule what and when I want to receive automatically to my email address or to other people's email addresses as well. The Click Analysis email report is selected, but I could choose any other report as well through this drop-down menu. Now I'll choose to receive this report after any job I run is finished. Next, I'll specify that I want to receive the Click Analysis report 1 day after a job is completed. And finally, I'll type in the email address of my manager, who's always asking for this report. I could type in a number of email addresses here as long as I separate the list by commas. Once I click Add, a list of all of the automated reports I have created shows up, and I can manipulate them as I see fit. I can also add additional automated reports by clicking on the Add button. Back on the Job Summary report, I'll choose a different report from the Activity Reports menu. This time I'll select a report from the Opens submenu. The Days Since Launch report will show the number of opens each day since the job was launched. As you can see, this simple report shows a table with the dates since the launch and the open counts for each day. Under the Click-Throughs Activity Reports menu, I'll show you the Domain report. The Domain Activity report shows the click-through number for each domain in my original list. Under the Analytical Reports menu, the Hour of the Day Click-Through report shows the number of click-throughs per hour across all of the days of the job. And you can see that the peak hour for people to be clicking through on this particular job was between 7 and 8 a.m. Pacific Time. Finally, I want to show you the Download Reports page. This page shows you a list of all of the reports for which you can download the raw data. Just by clicking on the download link next to any of the reports you want will get you the data for you to manipulate on your own computer or import into your database or CRM application. That concludes this demonstration. I hope it was informative. Please let us know if there's any other questions you might have about our services. Thank you for your time.